So in this tutorial, we learn how to install Scikit Learn in Pycharm. Scikit Learn is a Python library used for machine learning and data mining, and Pycharm is an integrated development environment for programming in Python. Make sure that you have already downloaded and installed Python before installing Pycharm. If not so, you can follow the link in the description below and learn how to download and install Python. First, open your Pycharm Community Edition. So I had already created my project folder. So let's begin the process of installing Scikit. Click the main menu, the top left corner of your screen, and click Settings. On your left sidebar, under the project, the one that contains your project folder, click Python Interpreter. You will see all the package that I've already installed in my Pycharm. Click the plus sign for install and search for the package Scikit Learn. So the package is available. Click the package and click install package. You can see that a message is being displayed. It's installing. And keep in mind that you need a working network to do the installation process. And also we have gotten another message that Scikit Learn installed successfully. You can close. And when you come back to the Python interpreter, you'll see that our package has been installed. So that's how to install Scikit Learn in Pycharm. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.